Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to add text to your Canva videos? Adding text is a simple way to share information, add titles, or make your videos more engaging. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add text in Canva Mobile on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your device. You can open an existing video project or create a new video project. For this example, I'll create a new video. Tap Video, then choose the design type you want to use. For this example, I'll select YouTube video. Next, select a template to continue. Once the video editor opens, tap on an empty area of the design, then select text. The text panel will open. Canva will display different text options that you can add to your video. Choose the text style you want to use. The text will be added to your timeline. You can edit the text, move it, and adjust its position based on your project. Once you're finished, tap the checkmark icon. The changes will be saved. To save your video, tap the upload icon. You can choose share or download. For this example, I'll select download. The download screen will appear. You can choose a file type and quality setting, or leave the default settings as they are. Then tap download. Canva will begin downloading your video. And that's how to add text in Canva Mobile on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.